Hazrat Abdullah bin Ka'b bin Malik reports that Hazrat Ka'b bin Malik radiyallahu anhu told him that he during the reign of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam demanded from Hazrat Ibn Abi Hadrad his debt which he owed to him, Hazrat Ka'b, in the mosque. The voices of both grew so loud that even Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who was in his house, heard them. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam went to them, and even the curtain of his apartment got aside. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "O Ka'b," he replied, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I am present." He mentioned to me with his hand, suggesting that I should remit half of his debt. Hazrat Ka'b said, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I did so." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to Hazrat Ibn Abi Hadrad, "Get up and pay it." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 471.